Hey everybody, super exciting Absolute Talks today with a very awesome remote guest coming all the way from California with Brice from Carbon. Brice, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me, Jack. My name is Brice. I have been at Carbon a little over 6 years now, and I am on our product management team. So I oversee our product development and product management portfolio for the oral health space. So anything that touches a dental lab, whether that's hardware, software, or materials, I'm typically your girl, and have some level of involvement. And I come from an R&D background, so I actually have a background in material science.
Oh, perfect. And Brice, trust me, is another one of Carbon's awesome rock stars. So today we're super excited because it is available. And today we're talking about FP3D, a flexible printed partial material and resin developed by Carbon. Brice, why don't you tell us about this?
Sure. So we started out on the development of the FP3D resin probably about 2.5, maybe even 3 years ago. And we really set out on the journey because the more we talked to labs, it was, very obvious that they wanted a solution here that brought superior performance. And so we started looking into the requirements around it, talking with customers a lot. And as we learned more, we started to realize more and more that our proprietary dual cure chemistry was actually the perfect fit for this sort of application.
Nice.
And so dual cure, I don't know how much people may know about carbon outside of the dental space, but our dual cure chemistry is actually the type of chemistry that we apply to the football helmets that you see, the Adidas shoes, like that is the same chemistry. And so we saw a really unique opportunity to bring that dual cure chemistry into the dental space. And the reason that we did that was the flexible partial application, in order to be successful, it needs extremely high durability. And dual cure chemistry lends itself very well to high performance, high durability products. And so we started chasing that. And when it comes to this material, every other technology is really limited by the amount of durability that they are able to get because they have to sacrifice the viscosity of the resin in order to be able to print it. But with carbon, what we're actually able to do with this chemistry is we are able to build our molecular weight for that extreme durability in a secondary bake step. And so what that allows is extreme precision, high performance, high durability without sacrificing any sort of economics. So we are super excited that it's out on the market. It surpasses a 3-year lifetime. So that's really like one of the biggest product differentiators here within the market today. It's very comparable to a Duraflex in terms of the durability and the performance. And so we're very excited to be bringing it to the market. Jack, to be honest, we had over 100 product requirements for this product. And we chased that for, like I said, 2.5, 3 years because we wanted to be sure that we were giving something to the clinicians, the labs, and the patients that wasn't going to risk any sort of reputation when it comes to digital dentistry. So we took the time. We understood what we needed to do, we put in the effort, and we're super excited to be delivering the product.
Yeah, and I mean, the same technology that you use in the football helmets is remarkable because if you hold up to a football helmet, it can definitely hold up in the mouth. I've seen the material firsthand, used it here at the laboratory. It's aesthetic and it's durable and it's got the science backed behind it, right? And that's super important, especially when we're coming out with a product that we're going to deliver to our patients. I think another thing to note that's super important is this material does have FDA clearance, correct?
It does, yep.
They're
We're excited, class 2 medical device.
very nice. And would this be the only one out there that's FDA cleared?
To my knowledge, the only material out there on the market right now for in the 3D printed space as a class 2 medical device is Carbon's FP3D material. That's correct.
Very nice. Very exciting, and congratulations to you guys. I know you guys worked so hard on this. And I can tell you, if you're watching this, you're a clinician, you're looking into this material, it's amazing. Not only do you get all of the strength and all of the aesthetics, but you also are now able to archive that data. So if anything ever happens to that, or it needs to be replaced, or it's lost, we can go ahead and just remanufacture it, send it right to you. Overnight ship it, no problem whatsoever. So this is pretty exciting. It's pretty exciting technology. It's an amazing material, and you can find this at Absolute, or you can find this in any one of the Denbright Network laboratories. Brice, you're awesome, and thank you so much as always.
Thanks for having me, Jack.